Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 AI websites that can help you in various aspects of content creation, from writing to photo and video editing. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing tool that can help you write better and more accurately. Whether you're writing an article, a story or just an email, Grammarly can help you improve your writing by catching grammar and spelling errors. Descript is an AI-powered audio and video editing tool that can help you edit your audio and video content with ease. Descript can transcribe your audio into text, making it easy for you to edit and add text, captions, and more. AIVA is an AI-powered music composition tool that can generate original music tracks for your videos, games, and more. AIVA can produce music tracks that are unique, professional quality, and completely original. Animoto is an AI video creation tool that uses you to automatically generate professional-looking videos. Simply upload your images, choose your music, and let Animoto handle the rest. You can create stunning videos in just minutes, without any prior video editing experience. Jasper.ai is an AI platform that provides a range of AI-powered tools for businesses and developers. From NLP to computer vision, Jasper.ai has everything you need to create and implement AI applications. Whether you're a small business looking to automate your operations or a developer looking for cutting-edge AI tools, Jasper.ai is the platform for you. So, these are my top AI sites that can help you in a variety of tasks, from writing stories to video editing and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.